Now, after having learnt certain chemical properties of chlorine, let us take ahead this and study chemical properties of chlorine part 2 and end this with the uses of chlorine. So the next reactions is the displacement of bromine and iodine. Now for example, if we take KBr and we add Cl2. Now what happens here is that bromine is displaced by chlorine to give the products as KCl, which is potassium chloride, and Br2, that is bromine. This happens as Cl is much more electronegative as compared to bromine. Now since Cl is also more electronegative as compared to iodine, it displaces I from Ki to produce KCl and I2. So the displacement reactions of bromine are KBr plus Cl2 giving us KCl and Br2, and Ki plus Cl2 giving us KCl and I2. After this, let us go to the next reaction, that is the reaction of chlorine with hydrocarbons. Our first example here is methane, that is CH4 plus Cl2. This reaction has to be specifically done under sunlight. This produces CH3Cl, that is methyl chloride, and HCl. This reaction takes place because of the free radical mechanism, where we have the formation of chloride free radicals as well as methyl free radicals. And this reaction does not stop at this step. It goes until completion, till we get the formation of CCl4. Now another reaction with hydrocarbons example that we have is reaction of Cl2 with ethylene, that is CH2 double bond CH2. It is also called as ethene. This reaction, when done at room temperature, results in the formation of CH2Cl single bond CH2Cl. This is called as ethylene dichloride or 1,2 dichloroethane. This is an example of vicinal dihalide. So on reaction with hydrocarbons, these are the different products that we get. With alkanes, we have substitution reaction, whereas when we do the reaction with an alkene, we get addition reaction. Moving ahead, let us have a look at the formation of additional products or additional reactions. SO2 plus Cl2 in the presence of sunlight give SO2Cl2, that is sulfuryl chloride. Please do not get confused with sulfonyl chloride, that is SOCl2. This is SO2Cl2 sulfuryl chloride. Next, CO2 plus Cl2 again in the presence of sunlight gives CO2Cl2, that is carbonyl chloride or phosgene gas. Next, we have uses of chlorine. First, the chlorine finds a variety of applications in several industries. Some of these important applications are as follows, and chlorine is used as a bleaching agent in textile industry and paper industry. It is used for the sterilization of municipal supply of water. It is also used in the extraction of metals like gold and platinum in the form of aqua regia, and it is also used in the manufacture of bleaching powder. It is used in the manufacture of several dyestuffs and explosives. Also in the manufacture of refrigerants such as Freon, that is CF2Cl2. Next, in the manufacture of several poisonous gases such as mustard gas, which is Cl(C2H4S C2H4Cl), phosgene, that is COCl2, which we just prepared, and which is also used in warfare. Now these are used again in warfare, and it is also used in the manufacture of tear gas, which is CCl3 and NO2. Now next, it is used in the manufacture of hypochlorites, chlorates, perchlorates, hydrochloric acid, etc. And it is in the manufacture of several industrially important solvents such as chloroform CCl4, ethylene chloride, and ethylene dichloride. Cl2 forms a major role. Then it is also used in the manufacture of synthetic plastics such as PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. And lastly, it is used in the manufacture of various important insecticides like DDT or BHC, etc. So these were about the chemical reactions and uses of chlorine.